Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you another review video of a yarn. This is also a Turkish brand yarn. This yarn is Kartopo, which I don't know if I am pronouncing it right or wrong. I am using this yarn for the first time. This is a 100-gram yarn ball, which is 300 meters, and this is 100% acrylic yarn. I have used 100% acrylic yarn to make baby hats, and this is also 100% acrylic yarn Nako, which is super baby, and it is much softer than this one because these yarn balls which I have reviewed on my channel and used in different projects are for babies. This is Nako brand super baby, and I have also reviewed Elite baby and Alize super baby, and I have made heads with almost all of these yarns. And now this one is for adults. This is also soft, and you can use it to make baby products as well if you want. And needle sizes are also mentioned. You can see 4 to 5 number needle you can use with this yarn ball, and 4mm crochet hook. Instead of using the crochet hook which is mentioned in size on the label, you can also use 0.5 less or more if you want your project a bit more tight or loose. That's up to you. Number 4mm crochet hook is mentioned on this label. You can also use 3.5 if you want your project to be more nice and tight, and if you want your project to be loose, you can also use 4.5mm instead of 4mm as well. So you can see these kinds of rubber crochet hooks can be used with these yarns, and you can also use aluminium crochet hooks. That's up to you. So this is a rubber crochet hook which is 3.5mm. You can use this one as well for this project of hat. So first of all, make a slip knot, and then with the help of crochet hook you can make chains like chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and then chain 4. So you can see this chain is nice and tight. Now you can make a slip stitch into the first chain. For the hat, make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3 to start the first round, and then into this ring make double crochet like this. And in this way make double crochets in this ring of chain like this. This is how we start our hat projects normally. So you can see here stitches are nice and tight. So in this way you can use a crochet hook which is just 0.5 smaller than the actual size which is mentioned on the label, and in this way you can use 4.5 millimeter instead of 4 as well. That's up to you. So it also depends on the project which you want to make. For the head, the recommended hook size is more suitable. If you want to make shawls or scarves, infinity scarf, or any other crochet project like this, you can use a larger size crochet hook as well, which is more suitable to make larger size of stitches and more loose. So this was the description of this yarn. I hope you guys like this video, and this video will be helpful for you. So you can use this yarn for different projects like sweaters, hats, scarves, etc. This can be used for knitting and for crochet projects as well. So hope you guys like this video. Give it big thumbs up if you like, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.